Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video at the Historics auction here at Mercedes-Benz World. It's getting towards the end of the day and I'm starting to flag a little bit. So I'm hoping that we can get the last few done, get some food and then make the long drive back to North Wales. But we're faced by yet another really quite quirky car, and it has sold. Now I did speak to the new purchaser. This one here is going across to America along with now being confirmed the Paul Hustler and the Sidewinder. So 3 cars from the auction are going to go to the United States, and hopefully they're all going to be recommissioned and roadworthy and used. So keep your eyes peeled for some point in the future, because this car here that we're going to talk about next could be on the roads in America. I'm not going to say very soon, but I'm going to say at some point in the future. The 1981 Wolfrace Sonic, a 6-wheeled, twin-engined V8 powered concept that stands as one of the wildest British show cars ever created. Built in the early 1980s as a promotional showcase for Wolfrace's new Sonic alloy, which I believe may be these. It was designed by former aircraft engineer Nick Butler with a wedge profile, sci-fi styling, space frame chassis, Jaguar running gear and twin Rover 3.5 litre V8s. It was far more than a display piece. Originally estimated at £29,000 to build, Sonic ultimately cost £75,000 to £100,000, a huge sum for a one-off, but an impact was immediate. It starred in major motor shows, appeared at the British Grand Prix, Grace magazine covers, and is even photographed at Playboy Mansion. Remarkably, it was a fully road legal UK reg under YKN 135X. After disappearing for years, Sonic was acquired by the current vendor as a restoration project. A full nut and bolt rebuild began under specialist Trevor Farrington. With more than £100,000 invested, the car is now roughly 80% complete, running, moving and mechanically aligned after extensive development to synchronise the twin engines and refine the complex 6-wheel dynamic. Remaining works include electronic calibration, dashboard and wiring integration, final assembly and paint. Whether it is original, purple or red, or a scheme chosen by the next owner. Now I think this would look great in black and make a slight recreation of the Batmobile. This is a rare chance to own and complete this incredible British concept car. It's an outrageously ambitious approach at engineering merging custom car culture and pure showmanship. It's a one-off spanning shows, magazines, film, TV and decades of folklore. It's wilder than the imagination, it's rarer than a supercar, and it's offered without reserve. So like all these other weird and wacky cars, it could go for £10, it could go for £10 million. Who knows? Only time will tell. I know this has now sold, so I don't know what it's sold for, but an incredible car which hopefully one day we will see in action on YouTube, TV, film, who knows, but it's going to live another life and be completed out in the States. And yeah, a truly remarkable vehicle that's just incredible to see. Now there is a video of this car here in a bit more detail with the original builder of the car, with Vicky Butler Henderson over on the channel That Car Girl. So head over and check that out, and it's a nice different look at the car and a conversation with the builder to say why he did it, what he was doing about it, and what he'd like to see the future of this project. So head over, check it out. Now taking a look inside the car, the new owners have put a couple of stickers on it already, just letting people know that this is now their car. So Lawyer Garage Car Club, maybe head over and check it out and you hopefully be able to see this build in action. Interestingly, when you sit in this car, as the driver, you sit in the seat, but you straddle the gearbox. You've got the throttle pedal to your right and the brake pedal to the left, and your feet are surrounding that. Now, it's a little bit concerning because that gearbox will get very, very hot, but that is something that when the car is finally built and assembled, maybe they could look at putting a fiberglass cover over it to help to retain some of the heat or remove some of the heat. And yeah, what an incredible thing. Twin V8, about 500 foot long from where you sit, It's incredible and a lovely thing, to say the least. Going to America, the Wolfrace Sonic. That's it from me. What an incredible car. If you have enjoyed this, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Maybe one day we could end up buying something like this, getting it built, and using it to our heart's content. But for now, I'll leave that to somebody else. So I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching, and take it easy.